Welcome to this course on effective communication and stakeholder management for product owners. Think about the last great product you used. A skilled product owner drove its success by understanding customer needs and translating them into action. The difference between thriving and struggling product teams often comes down to one critical factor: how effectively product owners connect and balance customers, development teams, and business stakeholders. This course delivers the essential communication and stakeholder management capabilities you need to make that difference. Are you looking to start a career as a product owner? Or you're a project manager, business analyst, or team leader ready to expand your skill set? This course welcomes learners at all levels, from beginners passionate about product ownership to experienced professionals seeking to sharpen their stakeholder management capabilities. You don't need prior product ownership experience to take this course. However, familiarity with agile concepts can help you follow along more effectively. This course covers essential collaboration skills for effective product ownership. Beginning with fundamental communication techniques, you'll learn to represent your customers' voices and align stakeholder expectations. You will explore practical techniques for working with Scrum teams, implementing negotiation strategies, and managing diverse perspectives. Each step builds your confidence as a product owner who can successfully bridge communication gaps and drive product success. You will gain a well-rounded learning experience in this course. Videos and expert viewpoints deliver key product ownership concepts and industry insights. Labs include activities designed to strengthen your skills in stakeholder communication and workshop facilitation. Practice quizzes after each module reinforce your knowledge, while graded quizzes track your progress and understanding of the content covered. The final project puts you in the role of a product owner leading the development of an innovative product. You can apply your skills to create a product vision, manage stakeholders, and drive collaborative team success. Maximize your learning in this course by watching all the videos, completing hands-on labs, and testing your knowledge with practice quizzes. These activities strengthen your skills in stakeholder management and effective communication. Good luck!